Hello there, how was your day? Okay, you ready to learn the new experience? Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. In the previous tutorial, you have been learned about how to turn on the LED using the Arduino with the simple program. This session we will make the program to make this LED can turn on and turn off with the delay every millisecond. Okay, let's we motive this uh, tutorial. To turn on the LED is just you need to give the expression of height, and if you want to turn off the LED, just give the low expression. Let's type the digital word and then let underscore one comma low. Okay, let's stop the simulation and start again. Okay, why it is LED not blinking? Because it is too fast. The simulation run very fast as far um, as fast as the clock of this Arduino. So we need to stop the simulation and give the delay syntax. Okay, give the delay. The unit of this delay is 1000. This means millisecond in units, and it is similar with the 1 second. So if you want to give this delay for 1 second, just 1000 millisecond in unit. But in this tutorial, I just want to give the a half millisecond. Sorry, a half second. We will turn on the light for 100 millisecond, then turn off the light with the delay is also 500 millisecond. Okay, let's we start the simulation. Okay, this is the result. We can turn on and turn off the LED for with the timeline is for every 500 millisecond. Okay, enjoy your project. See you next time.